Okay, so what we have here is a Fiesta Mk7 wiper stick, and the problems I had with mine was the washer switch seemed to be faulty. Now the washers are, for the front and the back screens are powered by the same pump, and the rear washer was working okay, so I knew that the fuse and the pump were okay, and it seemed to be the switch which was faulty. So I actually bought another stick assembly, and it's quite easy to fit. There are videos on YouTube to show you how to do that. It doesn't take very long at all, maybe quarter of an hour at the most. But now I've got this, the original one, I wondered if it was possible to get into this switch assembly. So this is what I did. So if you get a tire removal tool and feed that in and just click, push it along. It's a little bit fiddly to start with, but yeah, if you push that along, you'll see that it comes off, and along the side there are 8 little tangs, these little catchers to hold it together. So inside you will find 2 switches. One is normally open, that's the brown wire, and the other one with the green wire is normally closed. So I think this will be for the rear washer, and this one will be for the front washer. Now when you press the switch, that opens the normally closed one and it closes the normally open one. So I think this is for the front washer. Other than that, I couldn't see any problems with the switch itself, so all I did was to clean the contacts. So to do that, I took a little bit of fine emery wet and dry paper, pushed that into the gap between the contacts, pressed the switch to close the switch and pulled it out, and repeated it, turned it over so that we clean the other side of the switch. Push that into the gap where the contacts are, press the switch to close it and pull it out, and that should clean the contacts. And there we are, that's all you can do. The switch itself comes off, but there's nothing much to see on the other side. You can't get into it any further. So that was it. So to reassemble, you push this tang, line that up with the slot at the front, and then make sure everything's in place, and then simply click it together. There we are. Now then, we can test continuity. If you go to the connector plug, have the 2 tabs here on the bottom, and we can, using a meter, we can test for continuity, and it's between the top right pin and the second from the right on the bottom. So when we press the switch now, we should get a beep, and we do, and it goes off again. So that seems to be working correctly at the moment. That's it, there we have it. If you've got similar problems, I hope you could be able to fix it without having to buy another stick. These are, I got a second-hand one for £15 off eBay. But anyway, it shows you what's inside the stalk. That's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Bye.